Hello everyone, welcome back to another art time lapse. Today I am doing a DIY Christmas ornament based on Totoro and Friends from Studio Ghibli. So I'm starting off with this wooden ornament and just some gray acrylic markers that I picked up at my local art store. These are called Posca markers. And then you can see I'm doing it a little bit faster, but I'll slow it down for you in a sec just to show you how the process looks like. A lot of people are always curious about how I put my artwork together because they really like the finished piece, and I want to go and show everybody through these YouTube videos about how I go from like a blank piece of paper or a blank piece of wooden ornament, as you can see, to the final piece, because I think it's really important to value the process of how art is produced as well. And hopefully this is inspirational for young artists or like just even experienced artists to kind of look at and enjoy the art process. I know that it's very intimidating a lot of times when you're looking at social media and all these beautiful art pieces that people are posting, but like what I think a lot of times we don't spend time talking about is like the hours and months and years that go into that talent and skill and perfecting it before you get to the level that you are impressed and like wow by the final product. So I really want to celebrate the process of how these art pieces came to be. So I am gonna share with you my process of how I put together these pieces. It's really no big secret. A lot of it is just practice, and these art time lapses, sometimes I like speed it up and it looks like it takes like really a short amount of time, but really I think a lot of the time is spent on brainstorming on what you want to paint. I think this is a great weekend project or like a project you want to do on the side with your family if you're looking to do like a small craft that doesn't take a lot of time. And these acrylic markers are just like very easy to deal with and like super clean, rather than like getting your full set of acrylics with water and brushes and everything ready. I think like these are just like really functional art, and that's what I've been looking towards in the last few months, looking into what are art pieces that I can make more functional, because like as most of us, we have really limited wall space or even like our own private space if possible. So if art can be functional and have like multiple meanings, that will be great. So I've been working on pieces such as tote bags to display my artwork, or like Christmas ornaments that I think are very meaningful. And I think maybe for some of you who are collecting Christmas ornaments on an annual basis, maybe this is a project you may want to do with your family or friends and make it into a tradition. Here you can see I'm also using some Sakura jelly rolls. These are archival ink pens that are very fine tipped, so I love using these to draw in the details. And these ones do come in different fine and thicknesses, so you may want to try out to see what works for you. Luckily, in a lot of art stores and also stationery stores, they have some sample pens that you can play around with to figure out like what thickness and fineness works best for your art pieces. So from here, I'm just gonna let you enjoy the process of drawing this DIY Christmas ornament. So I'm just about wrapped up for this DIY Christmas ornament based on Studio Ghibli's Totoro and Friends. Thank you so much for joining me. Here's a closer look at the piece. I think it just looks really cute. And of course, if you're doing a piece for yourself, don't forget to sign it. Well, thank you so much for joining me on this DIY video, and I will see you next time. Take care and stay creative, everyone. Bye for now.